Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. Today's objective will be to subtract a group from another. So let's get started. As usual, this is the SketchUp screen. Press Ctrl B button to get Ruby Code Editor. At first, let's make a group in the model. To do so, create a rectangle, push it to a certain height, select this, right click and make a group. And let's make another group. Let's say first make a circle, then push it, then select it and right click to make a group. Let's move this group by using this move button. Let's move to this side and let's rotate it. So there are two groups present there. Now to subtract this cylinder from this cuboid, first we need to select what is to be subtracted. So in this case, the cylinder is to be subtracted. So first click on the cylinder, press Shift key. As you can see, the plus minus button is there, and also select this cuboid now. Then both will be selected. Then press right click. You will see Solid Tools over there and click on subtract. Now what it does is it subtracts the cylinder from the cuboid. So let's do this in code. Let's go to Ruby Code Editor. First, what we do is we create a group to make a cuboid. To do so, let's name it the group as group cuboid. Then let's name this cuboid. It's not compulsory to give the name. We usually give it the name because it appears in the model, because this name doesn't appear in the model. To make a group, first we need to create a face. So let's name it as face 1. That will be inside the cuboid.entities, and then we add face joining 4 points. And then we need to push the face. Let's say I'm pushing it 10 units in the upward direction. So let's press Ctrl R button. As you can see, a cuboid is run. Similarly, we create another group to make a cylinder, let's say, and let's name this group as cylinder. So to make a cylinder, first we create a circle. Let's name it as circle 1. Then we need to go inside this group's entities, then add circle. So let's say the center of circle be the origin, then the vector be the z-axis or 0, 0, 1, and let's say the radius to be 4 inches, and then the segments be, let's say, 30. Then we need to create the face for this circle. To do so, we name it as face circle. To do so, we go inside the entities of that group and then add face for this circle 1, and then we push this face of a circle to, let's say, unit of 5. Let's press Ctrl R button. As you can see, a small cylinder is drawn over here. As you can see in the model, when I select on this cuboid and you go in the topmost part of this default tray, you can see the name is given cuboid. It is a group, and when we select on this, a cylinder is there and it is also another group. So now to subtract the cylinder from the cuboid, we use a simple command. First we write the name of the group which is to be subtracted. So in our case, the cylinder is to be subtracted, and then use the command subtract. As you can see, the SketchUp already highlights this command, and inside bracket we put the name of another group from where the cylinder is to be subtracted. Now let's press Ctrl R button. What you need to understand is that we already have some entities in the model. So at first you need to go to the model, press Ctrl A or select all, and then delete every entities in that model, and again go back to Ruby code editor and then press Ctrl R button. Now you can see the cylinder has been subtracted from the cuboid. And let's select on this group again. As you can see, the default name of this subtracted portion is given as difference, so we can assign the name of that final group. So to do so, let's name this group as group final, and then we can name this group final as subtracted group. Now again, let's go to the model, select all, press delete, again go back to the editor and then press Ctrl R button. Now when you select on this, you can get the name of this group as subtracted group. So you can try with different parameters, different groups, and use this command. So this much for today. Keep learning, and thanks for watching.